Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a clean, professional site sign-on and sign-out system using Microsoft Forms, and how to make it effortless for your team by adding a QR code they can scan on arrival. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional digital register that tracks who's on site, when they arrived, and when they left, all stored automatically and ready for compliance or reporting. First, make sure you have a Microsoft account. Then download Microsoft Forms from the Microsoft Store or access it online using your preferred browser. I have Microsoft Forms already installed on my machine. Open it and you should see the main Forms page. This is where you have quite a few options like New Form, New Quiz, Import, and lots of templates to choose from. Today, we're going to create a new form, so click on New. Because Copilot is integrated into Microsoft 365, you can type what kind of form you need, and it will help you generate it automatically. By typing Site Attendance Register in the Copilot prompt box, I immediately got a simple Site Attendance Register. The next step would be to customize it a little bit, or if you're happy with the layout, job done, and you can start using it right away. This is not quite what I want. Therefore, I will delete all the questions, and I will start with a new choice, which I will name Sign In or Sign Out. I will only provide two options, one for Sign In and the other for Sign Out. Pretty easy so far. Next, because we're providing those two options, we need to create sections for each one. This will help us later to do the branching. Branching is the way Microsoft 365 figures out which section to push forward, depending on what the user has chosen. Section 2 will be named Sign In. Next, we need to create the questions for Section 2. The first one is full name, as we want to record the visitor's name. This is done by selecting text from the option list. Also, make sure that you make these questions mandatory by toggling on Required. Depending on your needs, you can add as many questions as you like. Now, we will go for a choice question and name this Reasons for Attending the Site. I will add 4 options below: Work, Inspection, Meeting, and Delivery. Feel free to make this relevant for you by adding the options you need. The next question will be text, named Vehicle Registration. Check the box to make sure it is required too. The last question in this section will be Acknowledgement of Site Health and Safety Rules. This will be a multiple choice question. Based on your needs, put the relevant choices below. For me, I need to have hazard reporting, emergency protocol, security and access compliance, and PPE. Because I need the visitors to confirm that they acknowledge the site rules, I will toggle on multiple choice answers. And on the select total options, I will choose equal to 4, as I have 4 acknowledgement points. Job done with the sign-in section. Let's move forward and create the final section. This will be for sign out. Add a text question and name it full name. I will check the box to make it required. Next, we will create another choice question and name this one Reasons for Leaving. The reason for this choice type question is because you may have someone who leaves for a lunch break, or their meeting is simply over. One last check before the final question. The last one in the sign out section is any facility issues to report. This gives visitors the chance to report if anything is wrong. Microsoft 365 offers quite a few styling options, so you can choose what you like. I will go with this one. Check the Settings tab as well, and toggle on or off different settings. I like to turn on the progress bar, so visitors can see how much is left until the end of the form, and to allow respondents to edit their responses. Now for the final step, and the most important one. To make the form work correctly, we need to use the branching out function. Click on the 3 dots on the first section and select Add Branching from the drop-down menu. Then click anywhere on section 1, and Go to Tabs will appear in that same section.
Now, match Sign In with Sign In, and Sign Out with Sign Out. Next, we need to tell the form what happens when the end of a section is reached. Under Go to Section, select End of Form. This step needs to be repeated for each section by selecting End of Form. The hard work is done. Under Collect Responses, you can find and download the QR code for this form. You can display this QR code somewhere visible at the reception desk or at the gate checkup point. Now we can test it to check if it works okay. We can do that by clicking on Preview. You can also test and see how it looks on mobile phones by choosing Mobile in the top right corner. I'm going to fill up the sign in part first, and then the sign out. All the collected data can be found under View Responses. This will open a new page with a lot of analytics for your form. But you can also click on Open Results in Excel. You can edit the spreadsheet any way you like, but I highly recommend saving the link in your browser so you have easy access to it. And there you have it. That's your complete site sign-on and sign-out system built in Microsoft Forms, fully QR enabled and ready to use. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.